Hello, welcome back. So in the last video, we have written our first Python program, which is called print hello world. I know that is kind of vague at this moment, but we will eventually go all of that and describe everything in detail. But for now, you can just think of like, okay, this is a line by which we can print something into the terminal. That's it. So now in this video we will go through what variables are in not only in Python but also in any programming language. So variables in a programming language is a label to some data which is in the memory. What do I mean by that? Suppose you want to store some data in your code. So how you will be able to do that? In Python, let's say num, which is stands for number, which equals to 7, suppose. And then what we can do with that, we can perform certain operations or we can manipulate this data like this number. So now what is happening is that this like the 7 is being stored into the memory of the computer, and this by this num we are labeling that. So we are saying, hey, store 7 into the memory and have a label which is called num. Okay, so now if I print that, I can do that as well. Print num. Okay, just again save that and then again run that code. As you can see, we have the hello world printed and then we have printed the 7, like that number. So you can think of variables are as a box, as an empty box, and you can put anything into that box, right? You can put chocolate, you can put some sort of books or some sort of things in the box. And how, after putting the things into the box, how you are able to detect what's inside the box. That is the label of that box. You can put a label like, okay, in this box there are chocolates, so I will be putting the label of chocolate there, and in the other books there is some other stuff. You can put the label respectively. So the point is, the variables are a label to a data which is being stored into the memory. So this is variables in a nutshell. But I know this is not everything, so we will definitely dive deep into that. But for now, you can see we have some data types in this code as well. Like this hello world is a string, and this 7 is a number, which we can see. So in the next video, we will go through the data types which are being available in Python, and in the upcoming lectures, we will go through them one by one in a bit more details and see what are the methods there, what are some of the functions, what we can use, and so on and so forth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's catch up in the next one.